My name's Alyssa, and I'm an instructor at the School of Natural Medical Aesthetics. A medical esthetician is classified as someone who is a skincare specialist, who has a passion in skin, anatomy, and body, and wants to help clients and people feel their most beautiful. Medical estheticians will perform minimally invasive procedures such as microneedling that involves needles, dermaplaning that involves scalpels, and any kind of acids or chemicals, and sometimes even lasers that can create controlled injuries to the body. So we are very different from your cosmetic esthetician. For sure. So we have our microneedling, which is a minimally invasive skin rejuvenation facial and body treatments. We have chemical peels and stimulation facials with our chemicals and acids. We have IPL for skin rejuvenation, vascular and lesions, as well as permanent hair removal. We have cool sculpting and body contouring that can help with fat cells, sagging skin, and loose, lax skin. And we do have other treatments such as dermaplaning and other facials and extractions. So medical estheticians do perform minimally invasive treatments, so we are creating trauma to the body for the response of a cosmetic look or a rejuvenated look. Whereas our estheticians are more or less doing lashes, hair, nails, certain things to kind of temporarily make the body look a little bit more appealing or cosmetically beautiful. So our course here is a 6-week course. It's online and as well as in clinic. So you'd have 4 weeks of online training with 5 modules released each week, where you would learn some anatomy, the basics of skin and hair, as well as how to understand the difference of physics and lasers, different types of lasers, radio frequency, and all of the kind of the background knowledge needed to perform treatments. And then in our 2-week practicum, you do hands-on treatments as well as theory-based modules as well in class. We do have a bunch of finals that you perform each day in the 2nd week. And you actually get to practice with real clients. You do hands-on treatments with all of our procedures, such as the microneedling, the chemical peels and facials, cool sculpting, dermaplaning, radio frequency, body contouring, and IPL lasers. We do ask for a grade 12 diploma or a GED. We do work with clients and students on a case-to-case basis as well, depending on their education levels. For our 6-week course, you don't. We do recommend receiving a pathogens course if you're interested, if you're working outside of Saskatchewan. That is just a blood-bound pathogens course where you can learn more of the cleaning techniques when dealing with blood, such as microneedling, but it's not required. If you're wanting to take our Botox and Fillers course, you do have to be a LPN, RN, or physician or doctor. After our medical estheticians graduates, they're able to perform medical aesthetics, not cosmetic injections. You do have to have a medical background to do any kind of injectables with the face and body. You have to be a physician or a LPN or a RN. If you are unable to complete our exams or our finals or the hands-on practice, we do ask you to return at our next course convenience to join other students to have more experience on the hands-on as well as complete your finals again. We want you to make sure you're confident when leaving our course so you understand fully what you're doing in the real world and in the workplace environment. There is no charge for taking the course again. We just want to make sure you're completely confident in your practice as a medical esthetician. We do have a third-party financing provider where you are able to pay for 3 and 6 months interest-free. We do pay the interest rate for our students over a 3 and 6 month period, where you can make monthly installments or bi-weekly installments per your income choice. You can receive a government grant if you'd like. We are such a small course, so we do recommend just speaking to us in regards to our third-party provider. We do have a partnership with a accommodation that is close to our facility, where you are able to get discounted student rates during your practicum stay. Absolutely. Our students have been very successful with opening their own businesses as well as joining other clinics with medical directors and other estheticians in their area. Medical aesthetics is a very booming industry where it's very growing, so there's lots of new clinics opening up, as well as there's many in the surrounding cities that our students have been living in. The salary does depend on which province you reside in, as well as what treatments you will be performing in your day-to-day workplace. There is lots of different businesses that will offer more services or similar services to what you'll be learning in your practicum. So you'll be receiving a commission base or bonus base on top of this, depending on what procedures you do, as well as your income and salary. So it will be a lot higher than if you did not have a certification. It will definitely be a lot higher than minimum wage. It definitely just does vary at the workplace you will be working at. So the advantages of working as a medical esthetician are the environment is a very friendly workplace environment. You also get to work alongside doctors and nurses, so it's a great entryway into the medical field. As well as the procedures that are performed as a medical esthetician, you do get to sample these procedures so you're able to sell them to your clients and understand what the procedures are like and feel like for aftercare. These procedures are normally very expensive, so it is a really great opportunity to have this experience as a medical esthetician. I would say go for it. It is a really great industry to be a part of. It is a very rewarding job to be a part of as well. You get to see great involvement with your skin, your client's skin, the results that are obtained from these procedures. It's very rewarding. It is very amazing industry to be into. If you're hesitating and you're thinking about it, I would just say dive in, jump for it. You're not going to regret it.